Welcome to Everyday English Excellence. What are you having for lunch? What are you having for lunch?
I'm having a sandwich and a salad. I'm having a sandwich and a salad.
Where do you usually eat lunch? Where do you usually eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch at the cafeteria. I usually eat lunch at the cafeteria.
Do you like to eat out for lunch? Do you like to eat out for lunch?
Yes, I enjoy eating out for lunch. Yes, I enjoy eating out for lunch.
What's your favorite lunch spot? What's your favorite lunch spot?
I like the little cafe around the corner. I like the little cafe around the corner.
Do you bring your lunch from home? Do you bring your lunch from home?
Yes, I bring a packed lunch from home. Yes, I bring a packed lunch from home.
What's your favorite lunch food? What's your favorite lunch food?
I love sushi for lunch. I love sushi for lunch.
Do you like to have dessert after lunch? Do you like to have dessert after lunch?
Yes, I like to have a piece of cake. Yes, I like to have a piece of cake.
What's your favorite drink for lunch? What's your favorite drink for lunch?
I like to have iced tea. I like to have iced tea.
Do you like to eat lunch alone or with friends? Do you like to eat lunch alone or with friends?
I prefer eating lunch with friends. I prefer eating lunch with friends.
Do you have a favorite restaurant for lunch? Do you have a favorite restaurant for lunch?
Yes, I like the Italian place nearby. Yes, I like the Italian place nearby.
What do you do during lunch breaks? What do you do during lunch breaks?
I usually read a book or listen to music. I usually read a book or listen to music.
How long is your lunch break? How long is your lunch break?
I have a 30-minute lunch break. I have a 30-minute lunch break.
Do you go out for lunch or stay at work? Do you go out for lunch or stay at work?
I usually stay at work. I usually stay at work.
What's your favorite sandwich? What's your favorite sandwich?
I love turkey and cheese sandwiches. I love turkey and cheese sandwiches.
Do you like to have soup with your lunch? Do you like to have soup with your lunch?
Yes, I enjoy a bowl of soup. Yes, I enjoy a bowl of soup.
Do you eat healthy foods for lunch? Do you eat healthy foods for lunch?
I try to eat healthy foods. I try to eat healthy foods.
What's your favorite type of salad? What's your favorite type of salad?
I like Caesar salad. I like Caesar salad.
Do you like to eat lunch outside? Do you like to eat lunch outside?
Yes, I enjoy eating lunch in the park. Yes, I enjoy eating lunch in the park.
What's your favorite lunch combination? What's your favorite lunch combination?
I like a sandwich with chips and a soda. I like a sandwich with chips and a soda.
Do you like to have fruit with your lunch? Do you like to have fruit with your lunch?
Yes, I usually have an apple or a banana. Yes, I usually have an apple or a banana.
Do you eat lunch at the same time every day? Do you eat lunch at the same time every day?
Yes, I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. Yes, I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Do you like to try new foods for lunch? Do you like to try new foods for lunch?
Yes, I enjoy trying new foods. Yes, I enjoy trying new foods.
What's your favorite thing to eat for lunch? What's your favorite thing to eat for lunch?
I love pasta with tomato sauce. I love pasta with tomato sauce.
Do you like to have coffee after lunch? Do you like to have coffee after lunch?
Yes, I enjoy a cup of coffee after lunch. Yes, I enjoy a cup of coffee after lunch.
What's your favorite dessert to have after lunch? What's your favorite dessert to have after lunch?
I like to have ice cream. I like to have ice cream.
Do you talk with friends during lunch? Do you talk with friends during lunch?
Yes, I like to chat with friends. Yes, I like to chat with friends.
Do you eat at the same place every day? Do you eat at the same place every day?
No, I like to try different places. No, I like to try different places.
What's your favorite fast food place for lunch? What's your favorite fast food place for lunch?
I like eating at Subway. I like eating at Subway.
Do you ever skip lunch? Do you ever skip lunch?
No, I always have lunch. No, I always have lunch.
Do you like to bring leftovers for lunch? Do you like to bring leftovers for lunch?
Yes, I often bring leftovers. Yes, I often bring leftovers.
What's your favorite lunch meal? What's your favorite lunch meal?
I love grilled chicken with vegetables. I love grilled chicken with vegetables.
Do you like to eat light or heavy lunches? Do you like to eat light or heavy lunches?
I prefer light lunches. I prefer light lunches.
Do you have lunch with coworkers? Do you have lunch with coworkers?
Yes, I often have lunch with coworkers. Yes, I often have lunch with coworkers.
Do you like to eat lunch early or late? Do you like to eat lunch early or late?
I prefer eating lunch early. I prefer eating lunch early.
Do you like to share lunch with others? Do you like to share lunch with others?
Yes, I like sharing my food. Yes, I like sharing my food.
What's your favorite lunch soup? What's your favorite lunch soup?
I enjoy tomato soup. I enjoy tomato soup.
Do you like to eat lunch at your desk? Do you like to eat lunch at your desk?
Yes, I sometimes eat at my desk. Yes, I sometimes eat at my desk.
Do you like to eat lunch in a cafeteria? Do you like to eat lunch in a cafeteria?
Yes, I eat in the cafeteria often. Yes, I eat in the cafeteria often.
Do you enjoy having hot lunches? Do you enjoy having hot lunches?
Yes, I like warm meals for lunch. Yes, I like warm meals for lunch.
Do you like to have a variety of foods for lunch? Do you like to have a variety of foods for lunch?
Yes, I like to mix it up. Yes, I like to mix it up.
What's your favorite type of wrap? What's your favorite type of wrap?
I like chicken Caesar wraps. I like chicken Caesar wraps.
Do you like to drink soda with lunch? Do you like to drink soda with lunch?
Yes, I enjoy drinking soda. Yes, I enjoy drinking soda.
What's your favorite lunchtime activity? What's your favorite lunchtime activity?
I like to walk after lunch. I like to walk after lunch.
Do you like to listen to music during lunch? Do you like to listen to music during lunch?
Yes, I enjoy listening to music. Yes, I enjoy listening to music.
Do you like to have soup and salad for lunch? Do you like to have soup and salad for lunch?
Yes, it's a great combination. Yes, it's a great combination.
Do you like to order lunch or bring your own? Do you like to order lunch or bring your own?
I prefer to bring my own lunch. I prefer to bring my own lunch.
What's your favorite thing to do after lunch? What's your favorite thing to do after lunch?
I like to relax for a few minutes. I like to relax for a few minutes.
Do you like to have lunch with family or friends? Do you like to have lunch with family or friends?
Yes, I enjoy having lunch with family. Yes, I enjoy having lunch with family.
What's your favorite lunchtime snack? What's your favorite lunchtime snack?
I like to have a granola bar. I like to have a granola bar.
Do you like to have soup and bread for lunch? Do you like to have soup and bread for lunch?
Yes, that's one of my favorites. Yes, that's one of my favorites.
Do you like to try different lunch places? Do you like to try different lunch places?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places. Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
What's your favorite lunchtime drink? What's your favorite lunchtime drink?
I enjoy drinking iced tea. I enjoy drinking iced tea.
Do you like to have lunch at the same time every day? Do you like to have lunch at the same time every day?
Yes, I usually have lunch at the same time. Yes, I usually have lunch at the same time.
Do you prefer hot or cold lunches? Do you prefer hot or cold lunches?
I prefer hot lunches. I prefer hot lunches.
Do you enjoy eating lunch in the park? Do you enjoy eating lunch in the park?
Yes, I love having lunch outdoors. Yes, I love having lunch outdoors.
What's your favorite lunch spot in town? What's your favorite lunch spot in town?
I like eating at the local food trucks. I like eating at the local food trucks.
Do you like to have lunch with coworkers? Do you like to have lunch with coworkers?
Yes, I enjoy having lunch with them. Yes, I enjoy having lunch with them.
What's your favorite lunch combo? What's your favorite lunch combo?
I like having a burger with fries. I like having a burger with fries.
Do you like to eat lunch on weekends? Do you like to eat lunch on weekends?
Yes, I always have lunch on weekends. Yes, I always have lunch on weekends.
What's your favorite lunchtime dessert? What's your favorite lunchtime dessert?
I love cookies after lunch. I love cookies after lunch.
Do you like to have lunch with your family? Do you like to have lunch with your family?
Yes, I enjoy family lunches. Yes, I enjoy family lunches.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!